unfollow people on TikTok at once. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow people on TikTok at once instead of unfollowing them one by one like always you do. Now all you have to do is go to your TikTok. Now tap on profile, tap on following, those three following I have, and all you need to do, instead of unfollowing them like this one by one, you can use a simple way, which is tap on those three following by your three fingers like this. It makes it so much easiest, especially if you have a lot of following people. Now this is the video. Hope it was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.